3.2, keeping on with the whole graphing of lines. Pretty interesting. Make sure you pay attention that this is your point slope form. Not going to really go over all this mess right here just because of time restraints, of course. Skipping this, we're jumping straight to the main two graphs. Now, please remember, you cannot enter this into Desmos. If I try, it's going to give me an error, not even graph the line. But it is pretty easy to make sure that you know how to convert these. And with letter A, I am definitely helping you out with showing the difference between these two for different situations. If you end up trying to convert this, you will not get a nice number at the very end. So we're going to stick to the point and a slope. Opposite x, opposite y. And my slope. So from right here, you can definitely tell this fraction right here in front of x is our slope, -3/4. And I can label that this is -3 going down and then 4 to the right. Next, I need to identify the x. Our x is right here, which is right next to this number 14, -14. That was to be clarified as our x. The only issue is when we take it out to bring it into our point, we must change the sign, making it the opposite. So instead of a -14, it'll be a +14. Same thing for the y. Instead of it being -5, when you bring it out, it's a +5. There we could plot our coordinate 14, 15. 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 14, 5. And now you use this coordinate going downstairs, 1, 2, 3, and then 4 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I know we went off the grid, but I know you guys are smart enough to realize you can create the rest or whatever the case may be. Something like that. For letter B, of course, you do need to do a little bit of work and then input it into Desmos. Gonna do this real quick. Border. You should know that parentheses means to distribute. Half times x, half x. Half of 6, calculator if you need to. Half parentheses 6 gives me a +3. Bringing down this y +8. I need to get rid of this 8. The way I do it is subtracting it. Subtract it from the regular number. Boom. 8 minus 8 is 0. Now I have my y equals by itself. Bring down the half x. Calculator 3 minus 8. -5. And then you can definitely put this in the Desmos and we could see how it looks. Bring it over to the calculator. Remember, if I'm going too fast, please pause. Here we go. Y equals half x minus 3. There is our graph going through -3. I love it. Can plot that real quick. Going through -3 right here. Next point. Definitely want to see, this looks like a point right there. -2, -4. -2, -4 right there. And then we just draw a nice line. Something like that. Great. Definitely going to skip number 3, and we'll jump to our last section in just a minute.